others to get help.
What?
Get help.
No.
Come on, you love it.
I hate it.
It's great, it works every time.
It's humiliating.
Do you have a better plan?
No.
We're doing it.
We are not doing get help.
What type of personality do you have? Are you the shy type or the extroverted one? Did you know that there is a personality type called the INFJ? It's one of the 16 personality types identified by the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, or MBTI. And that is what I'm going to discuss with you today, as well as the signs that you are an INFJ. MBTI, or a popular tool used to categorize individuals based on their preferences in how they perceive and interact with the world, was used to identify that there is one type of personality called INFJ. INFJ stands for introverted, intuitive, feeling, and judging. Introverted means that INFJs tend to be more introspective and prefer to focus on their internal thoughts and feelings rather than external stimuli. INFJs are intuitive and tend to rely on their intuition and insights to navigate the world around them. They often have a strong sense of empathy and can pick up on others' emotions and motivations easily. Moreover, INFJs are feeling types, which means they prioritize emotions and consider them to be an important aspect of decision making. They tend to be empathetic and compassionate and often prioritize the feelings of others over their own. Lastly, they are also judging type, which means they tend to have a structured approach to decision making and prefer to plan and organize their environment. They also have a strong sense of personal values and tend to be idealistic. After learning all about INFJ personality type, what could possibly be a sign that you have this personality? Number 7. You value meaningful connections with others and prioritize deep and authentic relationships over superficial interactions. For individuals with the INFJ personality type, meaningful connections with others are an essential aspect of their lives. These individuals value deep and authentic relationships with others and often prioritize these types of interactions over more superficial ones. The emphasis on deep and authentic connections is rooted in INFJ's tendency to be highly intuitive and empathetic. They often have a keen ability to sense the emotions and needs of others, and as a result, are drawn to relationships that offer opportunities for them to connect with others on a deeper level. Number 6. You are highly intuitive and empathetic, often able to pick up on the emotions and needs of others even when they are not expressed explicitly. This can be attributed to several factors, including their intuitive nature and empathetic tendencies of the emotional landscape of their surroundings. The INFJ's intuition and empathetic tendencies are an essential component of their ability to read others. They are often highly attuned to their environment and are able to pick up on subtle cues and nuances in social situations. This is based on a deep understanding of human behavior and emotions and often allows the INFJ to anticipate the needs of others before they are expressed. This intuition is not limited to face-to-face interactions, and INFJs are often able to pick up on emotional cues in written communication as well. Number 5. You possess an INFJ personality if you are introspective and enjoy exploring your inner thoughts and feelings, often seeking to understand yourself and others on a deeper level. They have a deep-seated desire to understand themselves and others on a deeper level, which often manifests as a lifelong pursuit of self-discovery and personal growth. They often have a rich inner world filled with complex thoughts, feelings, and ideas. They enjoy exploring this world through introspection, reflection, and creative expression. This exploration can take many forms, including writing, art, and self-reflection. This introspective nature also drives the INFJ's interest in understanding others. They're often highly attuned to the emotions and motivations of those around them, and are interested in understanding the inner workings of the people in their lives. They may engage in conversations that explore their loved ones' thoughts, feelings, and experiences, or may read books and articles that offer insights into the human condition. Number 4. You have a strong sense of personal values and strive to live your life in accordance with these values. INFJs often view their values as a foundation for their beliefs, actions, and relationships. This strong sense of personal values is an essential component of their identity and shapes many aspects of their lives. They are often deeply invested in the well-being of others and may view their personal values as a way to promote justice, equality, and compassion in the world. Their values are often informed by their intuition, which allows them to understand the underlying motivations and emotions of others. They also often seek to live authentic and purposeful lives, which are grounded in their personal beliefs and values. They may feel a sense of inner conflict or discomfort if their actions are not aligned with their values, and may seek to remedy this by making changes in their lives. Number 3. You also have a tendency to be perfectionistic and may be highly critical of yourself and others. This perfectionistic streak is often driven by their deep desire for excellence and their quest for self-improvement. While this quality can be a strength in many areas of life, it can also lead to significant stress and anxiety, both for the INFJ and those around them. They may set high standards for themselves and those around them, motivated by a desire to do the best possible work and create the best possible outcomes. INFJs might have a tendency to set unrealistic standards for themselves and those around them, leading to disappointment and frustration when these standards are not met. They may be highly critical of themselves and others, constantly seeking to improve and refine their work and relationships. Number 2. You may have a strong creative or artistic streak and often enjoy expressing yourself through writing, music, or other forms of self-expression. One way that INFJs may express their creativity is through writing and music. INFJs are often introspective individuals who enjoy exploring their inner thoughts and feelings. These provide an outlet for this introspection, allowing them to articulate their ideas and insights in a structured and organized way. Writing and music can evoke powerful emotions and can be a way for INFJs to connect with themselves and others on a deep and meaningful level. Many INFJs may also enjoy reading and may find solace in books and stories that explore deep and meaningful themes. Number 1. You often seek harmony and may avoid conflict, sometimes at the expense of your own needs or desires. Because of this desire for harmony, INFJs may sometimes put the needs and desires of others before their own. They may compromise their own wants and needs in order to maintain a sense of peace and prevent conflict. While this can be a positive trait in many situations, it can also lead to self-neglect and a lack of self-care. One reason that INFJs may avoid conflict is that they often have a deep desire to help and serve others. They may see themselves as caretakers and may take on the role of mediator in situations where conflict arises. Dealing with a rare personality such as an INFJ can be both challenging and rewarding. While individuals with rare personalities may not fit into traditional molds, their unique perspectives and strengths can bring great value to the people and communities around them. What do you think about this topic? With all the signs presented, do you think you are an INFJ? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell for more updated videos.